My name is Mitch Klement, and I'm an orthopedic surgeon here at OAW. I've been in orthopedics for the last 6 years. So I did my medical school at Georgetown University in Washington, D.C. I did my orthopedic residency at Duke University in North Carolina, and then I did a joint replacement fellowship at the Rothman Institute in Philadelphia. I like orthopedics because you really help patients restore or save their lifestyle. So it's someone who wants to return back to an activity that they love to do, such as walking with their partner, helping out with their grandkids or their kids, getting back to a job or an activity such as golf or hiking or enjoying the outdoors. Orthopaedic Associates of Wisconsin is special because they make it really easy to take care of the patient. You have everything you need under one roof. All doctors have different specialties. You have doctors who do ankle, hand, spine, shoulder, joint replacements. In addition to having all the specialties, you also have things like physical therapy, MRI, and x-rays all right here. So it's very convenient for the patients to get everything they need from us. So at OAW, I specialize in hip and knee replacements. I do the anterior hip replacement. I can also do partial or minimally invasive knee replacements, as well as a full knee replacement. Part of my practice is seeing patients who have had issues or troubles for the second or third time and offering them a second or third opinion. When I treat patients, I basically want to treat them the way I'd like to be treated, meaning a quick, efficient visit, an honest opinion, and someone that you can develop a relationship with. I've traveled to DC, to North Carolina, Philadelphia, and back to Wisconsin to get the best training I could possible. And I'm excited to share everything I've learned in different regions and parts of the country with my patients to give them the best care that I can.